Design your data center today, ready for tomorrow's challenges. With Stoles as your trusted partner. Stoles Cyberwall units ensure targeted airflow for hyperscale data centers. But as AI and machine learning advance, new chips require better heat dissipation, posing growing thermal challenges for modern data centers. Liquid cooling is the answer. This technology not only tackles high heat loads of the latest chip generations, it solves space constraints, enables flexibility, and boosts energy efficiency and sustainability. So how to integrate liquid cooling into an existing air-cooled data center? It starts with integrating coolant distribution units, CDUs, to isolate the facility water from the technology cooling system, enhancing system reliability. Stoles CyberCool CMU units deliver precise control over flow rates, temperatures, and pressure, improving overall efficiency. In the facility water system, fluid is circulated through CyberCool CMU units to a chiller. In the technology cooling system, CyberCool CMU distributes the cooled fluid to a network of microtubes within the servers. Meanwhile, Cyberwall units maintain ideal room temperatures. With liquid cooling, we ensure efficient and reliable cooling of 100+ kW per rack. Space optimization through increased rack heat load, enabling more usable data center space. Flexible infrastructure that grows with demand. Maximum energy efficiency and low PUE values.